everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am here to show you another one of our remanufactured transmissions. If you order a Powertrain Products reman transmission, it's going to come and look a lot like this. This is an example of one of our 4L60E transmissions. This is going to be found in a lot of your Chevy truck SUV applications. So these do have a complete system correction. They have a transco valve body and pump upgrade on them, new custom spec bushings, a new high energy band, and these did have a lot of issues with the plastic pistons, so there are new rubber pistons in them, including an updated valve accumulator piston. They do come back with our Powertrain Promise, and of course they are dyno tested for operability before shipping. If you have any questions, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.